Good morning. It is Saturday morning and we're actually on the go. We're up in Jacksonville. You see I'm plain face. Got my team behind me. My men. We're getting ready to go to work. We'll let you in on it.
Well, hello everyone. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today I am so excited to share with you a huge transformation of a remodel that my hubby and I worked on for a client. I'm going to say a client, but that client is so special to us. And that is our mom, or my hubby's mom, my mom too, and dad. We worked on their kitchen. And guys, you will be amazed at the end result, okay? But before I start, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you know you're a blessed, right? And you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. So guys, I'm going to share the before with you, and I'm going to share some steps that we did along the way and share the end result. I hope you enjoy, be inspired, and be blessed.
Now this is the before. This is how the kitchen looked before the remodel. This kitchen is like a 1976, 77, late 70s kitchen. Very much needed update. Now you will see a huge transformation. We started with the walls, painting the walls. Moving in the appliances, as well as laying vinyl flooring that looks like wood. This flooring came from Walmart. Can you believe Walmart sells vinyl flooring? And it is so beautiful. And the vinyl flooring is so easy to install. It is peel and stick. No grout. No padding. You just place it on the floor and you get immediate results. Here's my hubby installing the floors. It took us about maybe 2 to 3 hours to install. This is how the paint looks on the wall. I painted the walls and I am loving the color. We also installed glass, peel and stick, subway tile that came from Wayfair. This was easy to install as well. Are you ready for the reveal? Well, here it is. We're starting in the kitchen nook, and Mom and I worked on this tablescape. It is so pretty with the red, white, gray, and black. Those napkins, I gotta go get some, Mom. They're from Hobby Lobby. Those pumpkin candles, they are from Dollar Tree. And she used plates that she's had for a while, and they look so beautiful on the tablescape. The tablecloth came from Hobby Lobby, and I think the placemats as well came from Hobby Lobby. Now she put together this beautiful floral arrangement, and as you can see in the background, that artwork I did for a Cricut collab. The lighting, I think, came from Home Depot. It's just so beautiful. This is the other fixture on the kitchen side, and here is this beautiful kitchen. Loving the open shelving, loving the gray cabinets. The cabinets are by L&T Kitchen and Bath Inc. in the Jacksonville area. Loving the glass subway tile. And absolutely loving the floor. The paint color is so beautiful. The appliances is that black stainless steel. I think the refrigerator came from Lowe's. She used her dishwasher that she already had, but the other appliances that you will see in a moment were ordered off of Amazon. The cabinets are by L&T Kitchen and Bath Inc. in the Jacksonville area. So if you are in need of a remodel, a kitchen, a bath, check L&T Kitchen and Bath Incorporated. This is their coffee station, their beverage station, which I absolutely love. By the way, the countertops are granite countertops. They have a beverage chiller. I think that is a must-have, you know, if you're remodeling your kitchen. The faucet is by Moen. The sink is undermounted. I had to do that cute little fold on the paper towels. I love that. The cabinet hardware came from Wayfair. And it's so beautiful. My mom wanted a mixture of the hardware. My sister-in-law gave them this beautiful floor mat. And I think she purchased that from Amazon as well. Loving that opening shelving. Love the corner cabinet with it being glass. We did put a light in there, and it's so beautiful over in the evening lit. I'm thinking about doing that to mine. Having a glass corner cabinet. And we played it simple in the corner by placing a basket in the corner with a little mini wreath. Now in the corner here, I did not show it, I did not open it, but this is a Lazy Susan cabinet. A very nice feature as well to have in a kitchen. Here is the black stainless steel microwave and range. I am loving the black stainless steel. And she went with a flat stove top. But guys, this is the kitchen. They are very, very pleased with the transformation.
Now tell me what you think about that transformation. OMG. I told Mom and Dad I am jealous. I love the open shelving. It's just them, and it works for them. I love the color of the cabinets, that gray. The kitchen is just so beautiful to me. Once we finished, I just sat there and looked at it, and I was like in awe. Well guys, that is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on all of my social media sites and shop my Amazon store. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon.